Hi, I'm Lawson, I'm 16 and I'm currently studying esports management. I chose this course because it had everything I was interested based around me. It's not so much gaming I'm interested in, the management side and the business side to it. It's not so much about just playing games, it's in-depth research on what is behind the game, so shoutcasting. It's the management side to it and the event management side to it. It's all about the different paths you can take along esports. At the beginning of the course where we had to do our own event, and I chose mine to do on the Oculus, and so we was granted access to an Oculus Rift, and that's just cool as it is. So my long-term goals for this course is to really understand the ins and outs of the management side and a bit more of the business behind it, so it can open up more opportunities. I would highly recommend esports management to someone who's thinking about coming on this course because it gives you a new perspective on how to be creative. It will show you who you truly are and what your ideas are and what type of person you are. You won't just want to play games, you will want to open new doors to become a manager or a shoutcaster or a codecaster.